Hello everyone, welcome to new video. In today's video we're going to draw a reindeer for Christmas. Are you ready? We begin today's video by drawing the head of our reindeer. So we start with a big circle. There you go. And then we move on drawing the ears of our reindeer. So we draw a big V-shaped line. And then another smaller one inside. Just like this. And then we're going to repeat the same operation on the right side. There you go, with the first one. And here comes the second one. Okay, moving on. We start drawing the nose of our reindeer. So we draw another circle inside the first one we just drew. There you go. And then for the eyes, we draw two circles, 1 and 2. And then we color them black, just like this. And for the mouth, we draw a slightly curved line, just like this. We then move on to the horns. We draw a curved line going upwards and outwards. We curve in a little, and then we go for the second horn. There you go. It almost looks like a chicken's foot. There you go. And here goes the first one. We're now going to repeat the same operation, drawing a very similar shape for the right horn. There you go. 1, 2, 3. There you go. Now for the scarf. First thing, we draw the knot of our scarf. We draw this rounded kind of rectangle, a rectangle with rounded corners. And then on each side, the remaining part of the scarf. So on the left side first, and then on the right side. We finish off our drawing by drawing some lines going downwards from the knot, like this. First one line, then a second line. And we connect them at the bottom. This is of course going to be the remaining part of the scarf, and the same happens for the other side. First one line, a horizontal line, and then we close it off. For the remaining part of the body of our reindeer, we just draw a couple of downwards curved lines. Here goes the first one. And here goes the second one. There you go. And now it's time for coloring. So I decided to color the reindeer brown, of course, the nose red, the inside of the ears is pink, the ears outside is brown, the horns are this brownish orange, and the scarf is both blue and green, just like this. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and Merry Christmas!